This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. This one-story home has a great open floor plan. A large master with nice-sized closets, kitchen island, study, covered patio and an open patio layout with no backyard neighbors. Located on a quiet street in Morton Ranch, this community has a pool and tons of other amenities. Zone KATY ISD. Agent can provide video of property upon request. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.